Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make microwave muffins. First, gather your dry ingredients. About 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a tiny pinch of salt. For wet ingredients, you'll need 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 small egg. Also, grab a microwave-safe mug or ramekin. Now let's mix. In your mug, whisk together the dry ingredients. Then, add the milk, oil, and egg. Stir everything gently with a fork until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few small lumps are actually a good sign for a tender muffin. This step is quick and easy, setting you up for a delicious treat in minutes. It's time to cook. Place your mug in the microwave and cook on high for about 60 to 90 seconds. Cooking times can vary based on your microwave's wattage, so start with 60 seconds and add more if needed. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your muffin is ready to enjoy. Your delicious microwave muffin is now ready. For the best experience, enjoy it warm right out of the microwave. If you happen to have any leftovers, which is unlikely, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 day. And hey, for those who love efficient meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.